all your teeth is the full mouth rehab, and we have ways of dealing with it. As simple as a denture fixation, which is the lowest cost, and patients that really struggle with an upper and lower denture, it's game-changing for them. We can place typically 6 implants on the top, minimally 4 on the bottom. Retrofit a lot of times your existing denture to receive a little housing with an O-ring, and that mini implant has a ball on top of it that the O-ring will roll over top of and give stability. Stability that it provides is way more significant than any kind of adhesive that you've been probably using or they've probably been using for a long time. It's also a game changer. You can eat corn on the cob with it, chew steak, and really enjoy things that you haven't been able to eat and enjoy for a long time. And you can go from all that to a fixed option that's typically a ceramic restoration, where the denture fixation, they're usually an acrylic denture that needs to be replaced every 7 to 10 years, where a ceramic option can be a lifelong restoration. It can be done and made as a removable or as a fixed. And if it's fixed, then we just have you use a water pick to clean up from underneath it. And it's a full unit, typically known as a roundhouse, that goes from one side to the other. Looks very aesthetic, looks like your natural teeth, and it's glued on top of that mini dental implant, typically requiring minimally 8, sometimes as many as 12 implants on the top and 6 to 8 on the bottom, and you function very well.